everyone, welcome to Epic Bomb Kitchen. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to share with you how to make mango srikhand. Mango srikhand is a very popular dessert in Maharashtra, also known as amrakhand. This is a very simple and easy to make. We need just a few ingredients. So let's make the mango srikhand or amrakhand. Here I have 1 pound non-fat Greek yogurt, but I am taking half only. If you want, you can take full fat yogurt. And I am taking 3 mangoes, about 600 grams. I am going to keep the yogurt in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Meanwhile, I will cut the mango to make a smooth paste. Cut them into medium size. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell button. It will help my channel a lot. Okay, now I will grind the mango. I am adding about 1 tablespoon milk. Now I will strain the pulp. After 1 hour, the yogurt is ready to make a srikhand. As you can see, the excess water. I did the same process for the mangoes. This is how it looks. So now I will make the srikhand. It is completely dry. This is 1 cup of yogurt. And I am taking half cup of fresh cream, mango pulp, half cup of sugar. You have to adjust the quantity of sugar. Saffron milk. I have taken pinch of saffron and I have soaked it into half tablespoon hot milk. It will make a nice color. Mix it well. Now we'll strain it again. Look at this. This is the perfect consistency I need. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. Our mango srikhand is ready. So let's serve it. I can't wait to taste it. Mango srikhand is my all-time favorite. Now we will garnish with some mango chunks, some sliced almond and pistachio. Our mango kesar srikhand is ready. If you want, you can serve it with puri. If you like this recipe, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.